All right, here we go. World Auto, just finished.
World-class auto.
World-class Auto. Give us the address, Jay, and where you are.
87 Glades Road.
Fantastic. What do you think of this job that Satin Finish did, JJ?
Satin Finish did a great job. Awesome job. Look at this floor.
Killer. Killer floor, guys.
There's no other repair facility that has this floor.
Killer.
And it's incredible. It's durable. Look at it.
This floor is over 10,000 PSIs. This chip is a vinyl chip that we put down, and I know you added a little glitter to it. You gave it a little Boca Raton, accent, which was great. It enhanced it, and this also has a 0% VOC. So after it's installed, there's no chemicals involved. Very healthy for the guys working. Everybody's live in action. I got the Agello brothers over here, and they rocked out too. And all the crews did very well. But the floor is very durable. You could have airplanes in here. You could have tanks. You could bring in helicopters or planes. This floor is going nowhere.
All right, but we're going to work on just vehicles.
Yeah.
European vehicles,
yes.
Asian vehicles, domestic vehicles. We're a full repair.
And is it what do you do? What do you do exactly? Full repair?
We're a full repair facility.
And are you open right now currently for business?
We're ready to rock and roll.
All right, I like what you're saying here. Okay, the country's coming back, and safely and slowly, we're going to come back economically as well, and everybody's going to rock it out and see this beautiful brand new floor in Boca Raton, a world-class auto. Jeff is here, the man of the hour.
Hey, they need cars repaired. We're the place for it.
Can I get 2 thumbs up for Satin Finish Concrete?
2 thumbs up.
All right, your automobile shop can be next.
That's right. Bring it in.